DEWALT DCK940D2 20V MAX Lithium Ion 9 Tool Combo Kit. The DEWALT DCK940D2 20V MAX Lithium Ion 9 Tool Combo Kit contains all the tools you need for any/all projects. The DCD771 20V MAX Lithium Ion 1/2 Compact Drill Driver delivers 300 unit watts out, of power ability, completing a wide range of applications. The DCF885 20V MAX Lithium Ion 1/4 Impact Driver features 3 LED lights with 20-second delay to provide visibility without shadows. The DCS381 20V MAX Lithium Ion Reciprocating Saw with keyless blade clamp allows for quick blade change without touching blade or reciprocating shaft, and the DCS393 20V MAX Lithium Ion Circular Saw with 6-1/2 carbide blade can cut 2x/4s at a 4/5 DEG angle in a single pass. The DCS355 20V MAX Lithium Ion Oscillating Tool QUICK-CHANGE Accessory System allows blades and attachments to be changed quickly without wrenches. The DCL040 20V MAX Lithium Ion LED Worklight delivers 110 lumens of light output. The DCG412 20V MAX Lithium Ion 4-1/2 Grinder 7000 RPM motor provides high power for cutting and grinding applications. The DCR006 20V MAX Bluetooth Jobsite Speaker allows you to stream music wirelessless from your smartphone or tablet. And finally, the DCD740 20V MAX Lithium Ion 3/8 right angle drill provides dual speed ranges, 0-650/0 to 1000 RPM for increased user flexibility for a wide range of applications. Includes 1. DCD771 Drill/Driver, 1. DCF885 1/4 Impact Driver, 1. DCS381 Recip Saw, 1. DCS393 Circ Saw, 1. DCS355 Oscillating Tool, 1. DCL040 LED Worklight, 1. DCG412 Grinder, 1. DCR006 Bluetooth Speaker, 1. Right Angle Drill, 2. DCB20 20V MAX XR Batteries, 20Ah, Charger, 6-1/2 Saw Blade, Side Handle, DCG412, Wrench, DCG412, Universal Accessory Adapter. DCD771 20V MAX 1/2 Drill Driver and DCF885 20V MAX Impact Driver, DCS381 20V MAX Lith Recip Saw, and DCS393 20V MAX Lith Circular Saw, DCS355 20V MAX Lith Oscillating Tool, and DCL040 20V MAX Lith LED Worklight, DCG412 20V MAX Lith 4-1/2 Grinder, DCR006 20V MAX Lith Bluetooth Speaker, and DCD740 20V MAX Lith 3/8 Right Angle Drill. Includes 2, DCB203 20V MAX XR Batteries, 20Ah, DEWALT DCK940D2 20V MAX Lithium Ion 9 Tool Combo Kit. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.